Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do an unbox the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G. And guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Xiaomi which is costing around 36,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we have a 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And guys, and the interesting thing about this phone is that this phone also support 5G as well. And also, and the color I have is the nighttime blue color. So in this video we're gonna unbox the Redmi Note 10 5G. Now let's see that what is Redmi Note 10 5G has to offer. And guys, on the back we have nothing. We have a 1-year warranty card. So first let me remove the plastic. And again, this phone has a 5G. So we have a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset which is based on 7nm architecture. And again we have a 6GB of RAM on the Redmi Note 10 as well. And let me remove the plastic first. And you can see, and guys, and the first thing we get a 1-year warranty card here, and you can see because this phone is officially launched in Pakistan market. And now let's remove this as well, one more. And you can see, and guess you can see that here is the box of the Redmi Note 10 5G. And you can see on the front it says 5G connectivity will vary based on local operator capabilities. So now let's quickly open the Redmi Note 10 box, Note 10 5G. And guys, on the top we get one more mini box, and you can see it says that designed by Redmi. So now let's quickly open this box. And guys, inside of this little box we get a SIM injection tool, and also we get a quick start guide. And you can see we also have a safety information, we also have a warranty card, and you can see, and also we get a soft silicone case with the Redmi Note 10 5G, and that's a really good thing as well. We get a soft silicone case. And guys, here is the device, Redmi Note 10 5G. So now let's out the phone from this box. And you can see, and guys, again we have a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset which is based on 7nm architecture with dual 5G. On the front we have a 6.5-inch Full HD IPS LCD display. Yes, we have IPS LCD display on this phone, not AMOLED. We have 90Hz refresh rate, so that's a really good thing as well. On the back we have a 14 megapixel triple cameras, and also we have a 5000 mAh battery size with the 18-watt fast charging. So let me remove the plastic. And guys, and this is a blue color. So first let me remove the plastic. And guess you can see that here is the Redmi Note 10 5G looks like from the back. So let's remove this as well. And guess you can see that, and this is a matte finish. Also the back it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. The back we have a triple cameras, as you can see. So now let's quickly put this phone up. And now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And guys, inside of this box we get a cable, and this is a USB Type-C cable. And you can see we also get a charger, and we have a 18-watt fast charging on this phone. But let's see the compare rating on this adapter. And this is a 22.5-watt adapter that you are getting with the Redmi Note 10 5G right out of the box. But the Redmi Note 10 5G is support maximum 18 watt. So now let's put all this thing to the side, and now let's look at the Redmi Note 10. Because here is the Redmi Note 10. First let me show you the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone. And guys, on the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. Again, this phone also support, and again this is a 5G phone. And you can see we have a hybrid SIM slot on this phone, not a full-fledged SIM slot. And guys, on the top we have a headphone jack. We also have a IR blaster, I think, as well as a noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on off button which also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. Again, on the front we have a 6.5-inch Full HD IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. On the center we also have a punch hole, and you can see. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, you can see that here is the first boot of the Redmi Note 10 5G, and you can see. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. And you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed is also really fast on this phone. And guys, on the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has a IPS LCD display, and the colors, everything, it is not as good as AMOLED display, but I wish that we have AMOLED display, but we have 90Hz refresh rate on this phone. First let me go to the display, and let me show you the refresh rate. And you can see we have a 90 Hz refresh rate, but you can see that on default it is on 60 Hz. So now let's go 90 Hz. And also we get a punch hole on the center, which looks really good. The dark mode as well as the screen recording feature on this phone. So now let's see the Android version on this phone. Now let's go about phone. Now let's go all specs. As you can see that this phone, it is running on Android 11, so that's really good thing as well. And also we have a MIUI version 12 on this phone. And guys, also we have 128 GB of internal storage out of 110 GB. It is available for you guys. And guys, again, and this phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset with 6 GB of RAM. So guys, now let's look at the camera. And guys, on the back we have triple cameras. We have a 48 megapixel main camera and also a macro. We also have a depth sensor, and guys, we does not have any ultra wide on the Redmi Note 10 5G, and that's a very disappointing thing. Here is the camera UI of the Redmi Note 10 5G. We also have a video mode, and you can see in video mode we does not have anything like the ultra steady as well as the bokeh video mode. And guys, we also have a pro mode, and you can see we also have a portrait mode. In the mode section we also have a night mode on this phone, but again it is only available with the back camera. And guys, we also have a 48 megapixel mode in which you can take full 48 megapixel shot, has the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. Guys, we also have a macro mode on this phone, and you can see in which you can take macro shots, and you can see. So guys, now let's look at the front camera. On the front we have a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see on the front we also have a portrait mode. Now let's see the video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. Now let's talk about the battery life regarding the Redmi Note 10 5G, and this phone has a 5000 mAh of battery size, and also we have a 18-watt fast charging on this phone, and this phone give you at least 1 day of battery life without any problem. And also, this phone also support 5G as well, but you know that in Pakistan we does not have any 5G right now. And guys, also, and this is the cheapest 5G smartphone right now, and also when the 5G is available in Pakistan, this phone will work on 5G very fine. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Redmi Note 10 5G. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.